In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email capture form in Notion. Whether you're gathering email subscribers for a newsletter, wanting to streamline feedback, or just looking to organize contact information, an effective capture form can be really beneficial. Notion, with its versatility, offers a simple way to set this up. Now let's walk through the steps to create your very own email capture form. First, you'll want to open Notion. If you don't have it open already, go ahead and do so through your browser or desktop app. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with your main dashboard where you can manage and view all your existing pages and projects. Here's where the magic begins. Now look towards the left-hand corner of your screen. You'll see a menu where you can navigate through your different spaces. In this menu, you'll find an option that says plus a new page. Click on it. This feature lets you create a new blank page where you can start fresh and design your email capture form from scratch. Once you've clicked to create a new page, it's time to name your page. Giving your page a memorable and descriptive title will make it easy to find later and immediately convey its purpose. So let's call this new page Email Subscribers Form. Simply type this title into the header where it prompts you. With your new page named, let's move on to building the form itself. Notion provides a flexible and user-friendly environment to customize your space, so you can include exactly what you need in your form. On this blank page, you'll want to decide which pieces of information you want to capture. Typically, for an email capture form, you'll want to include fields for names and email addresses at the very least. To start building the form, click anywhere on the page to open the block menu. Type WORM to initiate the command. This will bring up a list of all the different types of blocks you can add to your Notion page. It's a quick and easy way to see what options are available. For our email capture form, choose the text block for instructions and headers, and the database for capturing entries. These blocks are your building blocks, and they allow you to enter and display different types of information in an organized manner. Creating a database will give you a structured table that can include not only email addresses, but any other relevant fields you want to capture, like first name, last name, or any additional notes. Spend a few moments to drag and drop these fields into the right order or format. Remember to make it visually appealing to encourage maximum participation. You can customize the header with an inviting message or instructions on how to fill out the form. Once your fields are set and the design looks good, you're all set with your form. And that's it. You've successfully crafted a basic yet effective email capture form in Notion. Feel free to further explore Notion's features to enhance your form. Good luck and happy Notioning.